We're going to talk a little bit about the buttons on the Retroflag GPi Case 2W. Now here, by default, it's already set up the way it is for this emulator. We have here the turbo buttons of these buttons. So whatever these buttons do, these do by default the turbo version of this. Then we have the start and select already set, the input already set. But in this particular, we have the turbo button that has different features. If you want to make a button turbo, you just hold down the button and press the button you want and then let go. And then every time you press the button, it becomes a turbo button. Then if you want to turn it off, hold the turbo button and press the button one time and that's it. But if you want auto, like an auto turbo, you're going to have to press the turbo button and press it 2 times, any button that you wish to turn turbo. After you press it twice, you don't even have to press the button. It's already on auto turbo. You don't have to do anything. It's already set. And then once you're done, of course, turn it off. And it goes back to normal. So here, if we were to press retro flag and Y, right now we have it set to save spot 0. So once you press a save spot, retro flag and the button, it's going to default and save a spot there. And if anything goes wrong, you need to load that save spot again. Then you press this one, and then it goes back to that save spot. Now, if you need to get into the menu of the emulator, you're going to press the retro flag and the B button. And then now we are in the menu, and press it again to get out. And if you need a reset, you're going to press retro flag and the reset for the A here, and it'll reset the whole game. So if you happen not to like the way the buttons are, you're like, you know what, during mid game it's too difficult, you need to switch them right away, you're going to press the buttons you want to swap, hold it down, and then press the turbo button, and now the buttons are swapped. So remember how to get into the menu, it was the retro flag and B. We have to press, now we have to switch, since they switched, we need to go retro flag and A. Now we are in the menu. But now you're like, okay, well now I don't need those buttons, I need the buttons back. What we're going to do is press the turbo button and press both of these. And then let go. And now the B should be the back to the out and in of the menu. And then the reset. And if you want to save a screenshot, you're going to use the L1 button here. That's here. And you're going to press the retro flag together. And then you get a screenshot saved. Then when you're ready to quit the game, you're going to press retro flag and the start button. And it'll quit the game and go back to the menu select.